guys, it's Nigeria. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing an updated foundation routine. I'm really excited because recently my foundation routine has been looking top notch. I mean, that's just in my opinion, but I'm gonna show you guys my foundation routine. I'm also really excited because we're using pretty inexpensive products, so it's not fully drugstore, but it's still inexpensive products. So if you guys want to see me do my foundation routine and see some new inexpensive, not new, see some inexpensive products that you can use for your face routine, then just keep on watching. Alright. I already did my eyeshadow off camera because that's not what this video is about. So yeah, let's just get started. So for primer, this is like one that's not really inexpensive, but I'm just using the Milk Hydro Grip primer. I have like this little one. I love this primer. I heard that is it NYX has like a dupe, or Elf, one of those has like a hydro, like has like a grippy primer that's like a dupe for this that people really like. I haven't tried it yet. I really want to try it. So once I get that, I'll try that with you guys. But this primer is that girl. So we're just gonna prime, and then we're gonna take a beauty sponge and just tap in that primer. And then we're gonna take some of this Multitasker Concealer by Rimmel London. This is in the shade Tan Ochre, and I'm just gonna take this and put this on some of my dark spots. I'm gonna take this Morphe big foundation brush and just tap. And now for foundation, we're gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation in the shade Warm Beige. I love this foundation. I actually just got it for Christmas and I tried it with you guys and I really like it. And like, I don't know if this is like a part of what makes my foundation routine look so good, but this definitely has something to do with it. So I definitely recommend this foundation. I hope it has a pretty good shade range. I'm not quite sure. So I like to do like the top half of my face first, and like I put some extra on like my dark spots. I need a good color corrector, so if you guys know a good color corrector, please leave it in the comments, because I'm always looking for a nice color corrector. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this Scream sponge from Glamlite. I love this sponge so much, but you can take any sponge that you like. But this one is just nice and squishy, and like it really blends it in without taking away too much product. I know it looks a little light on my forehead, but we're gonna go in with some cream bronzer and pick that right on up, so don't even worry about that. And I don't know why I do this, but I'm gonna take that same Morphe brush that I used and just blend out the bottom half of my face with that. And now we're gonna take the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer again and just go on my chin, my cupid's bow, my nose, and my forehead. For under the eyes, I want a lot of brightness, so I'm gonna use the I Heart Revolution Heartbreakers Concealer in the shade Biscuit. I'm gonna take a sponge and just blend out my nose and my forehead and my cupid's bow. I'm gonna let under my eyes sit for a little bit because I want as much coverage as possible. It's actually not that light. I think it's because it's winter and I'm in my light phase that it's not that light. Okay, for cream bronzing, we're gonna take the ABH Stick foundation in the shade Espresso. And then we're gonna take this Real Techniques cheek brush, which I love this brush to blend out cream bronzer. Now I'm gonna take this Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush and just blend out my nose with that. And also under my lip. Now I'm gonna go in with that Glam Light sponge again and blend out my under eye. I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place liquid blush in the shade Rosy Posy, and I'm literally gonna take the littlest bit because this stuff is very pigmented. Just gonna take that on this flat brush and just blend that out. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure my under eye is nice and blended out, and we're gonna take the Morphe Bacon Set setting powder in the shade Banana Rich. And now for powder bronzing, we're going to take the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade Java. And for blush, for powder blush, we're going to take the Saharian Blush Volume 2 by Juvia's Place, and we're going to take Lena and Tao. Okay guys, so when I was off camera, I just put on a lash. I just did my lips, which I lined my lips with the shade Kafuru from Juvia's Place, and then I just put on the gloss. It's Glass by Juvia's Place. I love this lip gloss. I definitely recommend getting it. It's just super glossy. I love a full matte base with a glossy lip. I just feel like it just like adds so much cuteness. I just feel like it adds, like, I don't know, like, isn't it giving? Yeah, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I love my foundation routine. I think it's so good. It's very like quick and to the point, which I also really like. It's full of like inexpensive products. There's some like that are not so inexpensive, like the primer, but like I don't really think that'll make or break the look. I think the main thing is like the powder and the foundation and the concealer and all that good stuff, which is pretty much like drugstore or like inexpensive stuff. So I don't really think that this foundation routine like breaks the bank, and that's something else that I really love about this foundation routine, especially if you love a full matte face. I mean, you can add some highlighter. I forgot actually, usually I put like some highlighter on the nose, but I've just been really obsessed with like a full matte face. I'm just gonna like leave it for now, but yeah, this is the finished updated foundation routine. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you try this routine, it's not really anything like special, and that's something else that kind of is like I like. It's like quick to the point, but it looks really good. I mean, that's my opinion. That's my opinion. I hope you guys also have the same opinion and think that it looks pretty good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below for your convenience. If you like me, if you like makeup, please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by April 18th. That I know that sounds like a weird date, but it's actually my birthday. So yeah, I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by my birthday. So if you like this video, please give it a subscribe. If you're watching this video and you're like, I'm not subscribed, let's subscribe to her, because I would love for you guys to join the family. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.